Hello, I'm in a 2015 Infiniti QX60, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So with the hood open, we'll go to the passenger side. You should see a coolant reservoir right here. This will be the cap that you unscrew, and you want to do this all while the vehicle's cool and turned off. Since this system all works under pressure and the coolant can get to like a boil, you want to make sure you don't get coolant splashing out on you. But that said, you just unscrew this, and then you'd fill, not all the way to the top. There's a full mark down here, so there's supposed to be some air gap in here. So you'd fill either with the funnel or straight from your coolant jug, and you want to match the same color as best as you can, and ideally the same brand of coolant you've been using. It's better not to mix and match if you can help it. But once you're done filling, you just screw this back on, and then I would double check through the lines, make sure there's no cracks in this reservoir, no looseness in any of the lines. You can check around the motor, check around the radiator. And one way to check too, with the vehicle on, you might see some coolant start to puddle around the motor or under the vehicle. And how to differentiate that from, like, say, water condensation puddling is there should be a slight color to the liquid. It'll have a slight sweetness smell to it. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you get it on like your glove or something, it'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.